Hey guys, so I am very excited to unbox this today. This is the new Apple Vision Pro. I had it pre-ordered and I just got it in today. So we're gonna open this thing up and then check it out. So yeah, let's start diving in. So the box itself is actually pretty hefty. On the side, you have Vision Pro, nice clean front with the image. That's pretty much it, just a large white box. So let's go ahead and open this up. There's one pull tab, two pull tabs. All right. And then we lift this up. I've been waiting quite some time for this. So I have a Quest 3, and I've had a Quest before that, so super excited to see this. There it is. This is the Apple Vision Pro, and a nice little stand in this box. So if we lift it up, I want to just put this to the side for the moment, and we'll take a close look there. So it's a pretty hefty stand that it comes with. Inside looks like we have some literature down here with the polishing cloth. Pretty cool. And I think there's even a Apple Vision Pro logo. Yeah, just a Vision Pro logo at the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. That's pretty cool. Let's see. Under here we have the light seal cushion. So it looks like one is already installed on the actual Vision Pro, and then this is the other one. I think this is the thicker one, mostly used for lenses. I don't need lens inserts, so we'll just put that to the side for now. Up here, we have our quick start guide. It's a nice color $3,500 manual. Pretty cool. Underneath we have the dual loop band. So as you can see, you have the stitch band attached to the Vision Pro, and then you have the dual loop band right here. We'll take a look real quick at what that looks like. This is the medium size, so pretty simple. From what I hear, it's more comfortable, so we'll definitely be trying that out as well. Underneath, we have the battery, cable, and then the charger right here. And then the detached battery. So it's a pretty hefty. It looks relatively sleek, but yeah, it's definitely there. I don't know if you're ever going to forget about it if you have it in your pocket or anything, but yeah, I mean, it's probably better off in your pocket than attached to your head. And then you have the rest of the cables here. All right, drop that to the side. And we can bring the Vision Pro back to the forefront. Comes with this little protective sock thing, which is pretty nice. Let's go ahead and take that off. All right, and there it is. Up front, you have the all glass front, the aluminum sides. You have this crown, button there. And then you can see the cameras. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 visible cameras here, and then 2 facing down. Speakers on the sides, and then yeah, the stitch band adjustment. Let's take this off. And there it is. So this actually feels pretty good. think it feels like it's nicely stitched, but also kind of it feels lighter than I was expecting. I think again, it looks really like hefty and substantial in videos and photos, but it's actually it feels quite nice. So I'm really interested to see how it feels. I know it's pretty controversial. Like this is kind of the stylish, less comfortable one, and then the dual loop band is the one that everyone seems to like more. My only thing right now before putting it on, even is that like there's no hinge on it, which is kind of strange to me. I know for my other headsets, I actually like having that hinge, so I can wear the bands a little bit higher, and that's usually a little bit more comfortable for me. But yeah, we'll see. And then here you can see the lenses in there. I believe this is magnetic. Yep, so it pops right off. So this is actually kind of a good look at how thin the device actually is without that light shield. So it's actually quite compact when you just look at the optics and the screen. It looks kind of cool, actually. And then the light shield can just pop back on. So if you guys are ever handling one of these, always grab it by the metal and not this, because then it'll very easily just pops off. All right, one last look all around. Looks like this band pops off. I think it just comes off. Yeah, it just kind of just pulls right off if you pull this orange tab. So very easy to take on and off. So yeah, looking forward to seeing how this fits and how this feels after extended wear. Definitely some heft to it, but yeah, we'll kind of see how it works out. So yeah, that's it. That's the Apple Vision Pro unboxing. That's everything in the box. And yeah, please stay tuned, and there's gonna be plenty of videos coming up. We're gonna explore all the apps, games. I have a MacBook Pro, and that's a M1, and we'll try some of that integration as well. So super excited to dive in. Hope you guys enjoyed this first look, and I can't wait to show you all more. All right. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you all later.